Okay, in the previous video, I was talking about one of the services that we provide, domain name extension, a domain name registration. We have hundreds of domain extensions available for registration. Registration is on an annual basis. So minimum is 1 year. Okay, we have domains for $9 a year. We have domains for $200 a year. It depends on what you want and what you're looking for. So you can explore the whole possibilities. You can find out, even if you are not yet ready to start the business, listen, for pennies a month, that's what it is actually. It doesn't hurt to get your domain out of circulation. You know, one day I talked to somebody, came to see me, and I told them the same thing: get your domain off the market. And they said, well, I'm not yet ready to start the business. I said, well, when will you be ready to start the business? They said, maybe in about 2-3 months. I said, that's within a year. If you spend $10 right now, you already spend that much in coffee anyway at Starbucks, remember? But this one, you're investing in your business. It shouldn't be, this is a no-brainer. And the person said, well, I'm not ready, I'll wait until I'm ready and I'll register. And then the next day, the person, and then so I sat there and I said, let me search the availability of that domain. I tapped it in and it was available. And then the person stopped by my office the next day to discuss something else. And I say, did you register your domain? Or would you like to do it now? He said, no, I don't need to do that. I'm going to do it when I'm ready to start the business. I said, we're already discussing your business, other aspects of the business right now. Let me check again. I checked. Within 24 hours, that domain was gone. Somebody else had registered it. There are people out there who are in the business of domain selling. They're taking out of the market catchy names, cute names, nice names, which you would want to have. And when you come and need it, suddenly they're selling it to you for hundreds of dollars. We have a domain auction services. So remove your domain out of the market. Remove similar domains out of the market. Get them off so that nobody takes it. Today, don't only think about today. Today, this may not look like a big deal, but there will come a time when you've built a brand and suddenly just that one domain becomes a threat to your brand online. So I encourage people, as you grow your business, begin to purchase domains that look similar to your domain name. Because sometimes people will change I into L and register that. Most people will make that tapping mistake, and they will end up on that other website. So once people have noticed that your brand is doing well, that your brand is growing, that your brand has caught attention, they will want to feed off of you. They're like a parasite. So they will register those similar things around you, okay? We have 24/7 world-class, award-winning sales and technical support, domain name experts who can talk with you 24/7. Just go to the description section at the bottom of the video and click the link, and then it will take you to our website, and then you can call our technical support. Searching and registering a domain is very simple with us. And managing your domain, our domain management platform, if you want to forward your domain, even if you want to migrate your domain, to Mumba Web Digital. It's very simple. If you want to migrate a domain from Mumba Web Digital, it's not as complicated as some of the companies out there where you register a domain name. It becomes a mathematical, algorithmical equation to be resolved. No, our platform is simple, is professional, and our tech support class, they're out there to help you 24/7. And in 55 locations around the world, in Portugal, in Portuguese, we have a team available. You call a local number there. In Germany, in France, in Belgium, we have both of the two languages in Belgium plus French. We also have a French website for the French people in France. We have the British one. We have in India, the languages in India, Saudi Arabia. We have that. Brazil, Argentina, Mexico. We got different languages in your local area where you can call a local number within the context of your culture. They will speak to you, they will guide you, they will help you. Why do we have that presence localized? Because we want to bring our services to where you are and serve you within your context. Okay? So again, your domain name is a big, important, critical part of naming your business. So if you have figured out your primary keyword, which you will incorporate in your business name, it will make sense to include it in your domain name. Your domain name is your web address. It's your address on the web. It's how people find you on the internet. We have hundreds of domain extensions. In addition to the traditional extension .com that everybody has come to know, .org, .us, .edu, .gov. Now we have .navy, we have .boutique if you're running a boutique, we have .shoes, .clothing, we have .life for those of you who fight for life. We have .men for those of you who do business where you want to attract the attention of men. Okay, we have health, we have school, we have academy if you have a school, we have edu for those with academic learning institutions. We have restaurant, we have .biz as an alternative to .com. We have .business, we have .tech, we have .technology, .digital, .marketing. We have Black Friday. We have for sale. We have company, Inc. Okay, if you have incorporated your business, here's your opportunity to brag. Inc. Okay, we have restaurant, catering. So if you're in catering business, that's an opportunity for you to show off. Okay, we have email. So you can get a domain name, that email. Maybe you have several employees and you want to make sure that the email address are distinguished. You can do that. We have CEO. So everybody knows you're the CEO, right? Very interesting. Yes, we have foundation. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of domain extensions. And like I said earlier, you want to differentiate yourself online. And when you use this domain extension, this new domain extension, one of the benefits is it tells visitors, people who are searching the internet, what your business is all about. If you put catering, they know what you're doing. You don't have to say anything. It's a catering business. If you put boutique, they know you're running a boutique. If you put shoes, they know. Bicycle, they know to come to your page because they're looking for the bicycle to buy or to repair or something like that. Or whatever bicycle activities are related You'll be identified easily. And even in search engines, will be picking this as part of the keywords by which you are recognized. There's so many benefits to using these new domain extensions. It's part of your branding strategy. So go ahead and click, okay? And you'll be the link in the description section. It will take you to our website, and you will be able to reach. There's a number, like I said, we have our domain experts available 24/7 to speak to you, and call if you have a question. If the domain you're looking for is already registered by somebody, we may be able to get it for you. It may be somebody who's doing domain auction. They're registered and then they're selling it. We may be able to negotiate for you. Or if somebody has registered it, there are millions of domain names that expire every year, literally every month. And people don't re-register them. Many of them, maybe they started a business and they gave it up, but the domain is registered for a year. So for 1 year, it will look domain unavailable for registration to you. But we have a domain monitoring service. We will monitor it and back order it. So the moment it becomes available, our system will notify you the domain you've been waiting for is available. We can capture it now. So the fee you pay for domain back ordering and monitoring service will go towards your registration. So even if the domain you want, you're in business for the long term. So if a unique domain you want is already registered, sometimes people will let the domain expire, and maybe for 2 months or even 3 months, they don't even know because they were not using it actively, or they don't care, or they've given up on it. We will be the first one to be notified because we are connected to the system. And once it comes available, our technicians, our domain experts, will grab it for you and let you know, and then register it for you. I think that's cool. I think you love that. So now you don't have to totally give up on the domain you wanted. Thank you. See you soon.